friends, today we are going to make origami ice cream. First we need a square shape sheet and then we have to fold it in half diagonally to create a triangle. Then unfold it and now align this bottom right side to the center horizontal crease. So we are going to fold it diagonally and crease it in. Rotate and do the same thing on this side. So we have to take this, fold it diagonally to that center crease that we made it in our first step and just crease it in. Now we want to take this two flap. We are going to take this, take the first one, and we have to fold it diagonally, just like this. And now we want to make sure that this make a right angle. So we are going to go like that, crease it in, do the same thing on this side. Now flip it around and we are going to take this little flap here, taking out and fold it over. Do the same thing on the left. Take this little flap, fold it over and then take this right side over here and align it to the vertical center line. So we are going to fold it like this. Do the same thing on this side. Now flip it around and you see your ice cream is almost done. Now we are going to make the cream on top. So we are going to fold it back, crease it in, bring it back out, fold it back, bring it back out. And for this last one, I like to kind of swirl it to one side on the other as opposed to having it straight up. So I'm just going to twist it a little bit to the left side or here before I crease it in. Now we will use the gum so that it's perfectly stick it will not open it. Paste the gum perfectly. Same exactly you have to paste it so that it will not open it again. Here also you have to put the gum. And now I am going to grab some marker and I am going to decorate, and that is how you make an origami ice cream. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy making this origami ice cream cone. If you would like to learn more, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notification to be alerted of new videos when they come out. So we will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.